Hello, this is Farshid. Today I want to share with you one of my favorite projects that I worked on, which I called Beating Heart. So what I have here, these parts are all manufactured using a 3D printer. I have here a heart that has three different pieces. This is the outer shell, the center heart, and the back cover. So the back cover has a cylinder attached to it, and that cylinder has an inner tube. Inside of this inner tube, you can see one of them right here has two magnets inside. These two magnets are interacting with two other magnets that they're inside of this heart. You can't see that. You'll see it on the 3D renderings that I will post on and end of this video. So what happens when we rotate this cylinder, we're changing the polarity of these magnets as it relates to these two magnets that are in this heart. Therefore, they're attracting and repelling, causing the center portion of this heart to move in and out. So we'll take a look here with using another piece that I made, which is the hand crank. Put the hand crank in here, and as we rotate, again, we're changing the polarity of those two magnets that are in this back cylinder. As we're rotating the crank, those the reaction that we see is the heart moving in and out. So take it to the next level. I took and built another piece, which is our let me turn this way so you can see it, is our electric side of this thing here. So I have a small brush DC geared motor that's attached to a little coupler. This coupler, the gear is just for looks, has really no function there, but this piece goes into where I had the hand crank. We have our push button here. When we push it, our motor runs, and inside here we have a couple of batteries. So let's take a look at how these guys couple together. As I mentioned, this goes into where we had the hand crank. We line the bases together, and there's another magnet over here in the center. I think you saw that there, that pulls two pieces together. So once we put these guys together like that, what we can do is we can push this button in the back, and you'll see that the cylinder that has the two magnets in the back of the heart rotates, therefore causing the electromagnetic field pushing the two magnets that are in the heart out and bringing it back in. There you have it. So again, this was one of my favorite projects that I worked on, just using different concepts, a motor, electromagnetic field, using a 3D printer, and there you have it. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.